Today is a very special day at Copper Canyon. We have over 100 kids participating in our after-school choral programs, and they have prepared an assembly during which we honor our veterans. Students across the grade levels have invited friends or family to come and attend that have served in the military, either current or past.
Grateful that you are here to allow us the opportunity to honor you today so that we can, in a small token, just say thank you for your service. Thank you for keeping us safe.
We are humbled by it, I think, those of us who have served, because we recognize that while we are a veteran, there are so many veterans out there today who have served our country proudly.
It also reminds us what we owe to the veterans who have paid a greater price than I did, and in some cases the ultimate price.
The importance is to make sure that the people who serve for our country don't think they're taken for granted, and so that they know that we really appreciate what they do.
So Veterans Day is that time for us to honor not only the veterans who are currently alive, but those who passed away, and also to honor the families who serve alongside of us, because they gave so much just as we did to serve our country.